how to obtain the point dividing a line segment externally. We are considering a point at A, which is x1, y1, and the point at B, which is x2 and y2. Point R, and divide the line segment A and B externally such that the ratio of AR to RB is equal to M is to N. From this diagram, triangle AQR, Q2R, and triangle B, Q3R are similar triangles. So when you consider this triangle, AQ2R and BQ3R are similar. So comparing their ratios, we shall have AQ2, this base AQ2 divided by BQ3 will be equal to the hypotenuse, which is AR divided by BR. AR divided by BR. AR is equal to M over N. So A Q2 over B Q3 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x minus x2, which is equal to M over N. From here, we can cross multiply so that we obtain the following: N into bracket x minus x1 is equal to M into bracket x minus x2. We remove the bracket, nx minus nx1 is equal to mx minus mx2. Then we group the terms with the x. Grouping the next term together, we are going to have nx minus mx, which is the same as nx1 minus mx2. We can factor x here, so x into bracket n minus m, which is the same as n x1 minus mx2. Then we can divide by with the value of n minus 1. So x is the same as nx1 minus mx2 divided by n minus m. This can be rewritten as we can multiply the numerator by -1 and the denominator by -1, so that we are going to have m x2 minus nx1 divided by m minus -1, and -1 will cancel out, and our x will be equal to m x2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n. Similarly, from the diagram, we are going to consider Q2R and Q3R, and Q2R will be given by y minus y1, and Q3R will be given by y minus y2. So writing our values here, Q2R is the same as y minus y1 divided by y minus y2. So Q3R is given by y minus y2, which is equal to m over n, meaning that y minus y1 divided by y minus y2 is equal to m over n. Cross multiplying, we shall have ny minus ny1 is equal to my minus my2, meaning that my2, taking this negative to the left, will become positive, minus ny1 is equal to my, taking ny to the right will become negative, negative ny. Factorizing y on the right hand side, we shall be left with m minus n, which is equal to my2 minus ny1, meaning that y is equal to my2 minus ny1, this part here, divided by m minus n. The point, our point R, will be given by this point x and point y, whose coordinate are mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, comma, the value of y is here, my2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. So that is the point which we are supposed to obtain. The point dividing a line segment externally will be given by this coordinate here. So thanks so much for taking your time to study with me on the derivation of the point dividing a line segment externally. In the next video, we are going to consider a numerical example. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified when there is a new release. Thanks for watching.